Hello and welcome back to the N² World Domination Society. Today we will be building the Breadboard power supply kit from SparkFun. Alright, first things first, place the power connector above the 3 large holes, then take it to your soldering station and realize you forgot to get the solder before you started recording. Alright, I found the solder. We can continue. The power connector should look like this when you're done. Next, solder the voltage regulator into the slot across from the power connector. Make sure it is facing the right way with the metal side facing outwards. Then, solder a switch on both sides of the power connector. Your board should now look like this. After that, cut the header pins in half so you have 2 pairs of 2 pins like so. Then, place those 2 pins in the 2 slots next to the voltage regulator going through the top, short side first, unlike what I did. Finally, solder them to your board so you have something like this. Next, place the larger capacitor in the top leftmost circular slot with a short leg going through the negative slot. Then solder it together like this. The smaller capacitor gets soldered into the bottom slot in the same orientation as the larger one as shown. The resistor with the bent legs goes in between the large capacitor and the switch at the top of the board. The smaller resistor gets soldered into the slot in between the capacitor and the header pins. Nice and simple this step. These 2 resistors are the same, therefore they both go in a 330 slot like this. For the other resistors, I had to use this chart and found out what they were based on their stripes. After that, solder the LED into the slot in the top right next to the capacitor. Finally, solder the last diode into place under the switch and make sure it is facing the right way when you do so. Here you can see the finished product in all its glory. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider liking and sharing it. Subscribe so you can catch all the amazing robotics, electronics, and 3D printing projects I have planned. Thanks for watching.